up? Today we're gonna be braiding my hair in some box braids, so if that's something you want to see, please keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha. This is Aisha's Life, and today I'm gonna be braiding my hair like I just told y'all. And as y'all seen on my last video, if you haven't seen it, girl, what are you doing? I'm waiting. Yes, we're braiding my hair up for obvious reasons. I'm tired of touching it. If you ever see me put braids in my hair, box braids in my hair, honey, I'm tired of touching it. I'm waiting on my Amazon package to come with my hair because I don't go to the hair store no more. I go to Amazon.com. So I'm about to literally rubber band it up. I'm pretty sure y'all have seen that done time and time again. But this video is more about the method of how I do my box braids. I got the back done. It's probably not the best part, but I mean, like I tell y'all on my videos, these is not no tutorials. This is just me doing my hair. Also, the hair did just come, so we can't complete this task all today. Bra straps offend you, honey, get a life. Anyways, so I'm all done pre-parting and put the rubber bands on. So I am happy with the way I did it. Now right here, I feel like I made them too small. It's gonna probably scratch that. So this hair, I got this from Amazon. So this hair, I got it from Amazon, and it's the same hair company that I got my last braiding hair from, but it's just that this pack came with 8 bundles. And somebody tried to open my package to see what it was. Girl. So this is the hair right here. And I got it in the 1B color. I did not want no color. I wasn't here for it. I was actually getting overwhelmed trying to find a good burgundy, and I couldn't find that, so I said, F it. So all of them are 26 inches. Getting this size, honestly, was an accident, but they all are prepackaged, and we love that. And I don't know if there's any goodies in here, like any clips, any combs. I don't know. Hold on, let me feel. This does come with a crochet hook and those like little like jewels you can put on your hair. I guess I can use those this time. So right now I have 3 of these.
Hey.
I started this task at 12 in the afternoon. My hands hurt so freaking bad. These braids are extremely long. I'm regretting this decision on braiding. Even my phone is done. My phone fell. I'm regretting this decision, but I have 5 more braids. I clipped these 2, and I was thinking about merging some together, but I don't think it'll technically be possible. But I ended up having to get some of this platinum blonde hair out to blend because I realized the 8 packs that they had just wasn't going to be enough, and I didn't want to be stuck not having enough hair. I walked into this video with so much energy, and it's not even finished, and I'm leaving with so little energy. Anthony's about to get into the shower, so by the time he gets out, I'll be done with this because he takes like 30-minute fucking showers. So yay him. But my fucking hands are gonna be so sore tomorrow, and I work from home, so most of my job is literally on the phone and on my computer. So typing, not doing that tomorrow. Just not gonna do it. But it's content making week, so I really don't have to type. I'm all done, but I gotta do the ends tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow. It's the next morning and I did sleep with my bonnet on. All of my braids fit in there just fine. I am literally just about to clip the ends of this. I'm not sure if I can get this on camera properly. Y'all gonna have to excuse the kid for real. Just excuse me. Also, I just want to say that it's like 5 in the morning. Anthony's about to go out to work, so I just be up. Like, I just showered and everything. I bitch just be awake, and my work meeting isn't until 10 a.m. so we left that for me. But that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Now, I didn't think that it was gonna take me 9 hours to do this, but it did. But it's only because of the length. It's only because of the length. The length of this is really long for me. I wouldn't even purchase weave that's this long, like with bundles or wigs. Like, I just wouldn't, because this is not the length that I like. I prefer like 20 to like 20, 18, 16. Like, I wouldn't mind that, but I think my hair turned out really cute, and it'll do for now, especially when I go bowling. I'm going bowling this weekend. And pulling it up, that's what I'm actually about to do, because I have work. So it's gonna be cute as a half up, half down.